welcome back to the channel. We are here yet again in Intramuros, and I'm catching up with an old friend from my magician days. So for those of you that actually know me, I used to do magic. Haven't done so in about a decade. It's been that long. And I'm here right now with Angel, fellow magician from TSC, the Story Circle. And yeah, we're just going around Intramuros and doing a shoot. So let's get to it.
If you're from the west side, Cali, born and raised right from the town with the palm trees and good vibes, you know the best ride, soaking up the sunshine. And we hustle cause we tryna live a good life. I'm driving down the coast, homies in the back bumping loud. You know, we ain't got no worries. This my home, and I don't plan on leaving. There ain't nothing better than the west side, that's and right. I'm like, ooh, we on the map. We get the bag and they run it back. And I'm like, ooh, we on the map. We get the bag and they run it back. And I'm like, ooh, we on it. We know what's up. We on it. We know. Every day's a new day and it is a blessing. I hit the studio cause we got a session. Sunset Boulevard where we all come through. But don't let the money and the fame change you. I'm driving down the coast, homies in the back bumping loud. You know, we ain't got no worries. This my home, and I don't plan on leaving. There ain't nothing better than the west side, that's right. We on the map. We get the
And then you can look out there, there. Pahiram sila ng kandawan na. 1, 2, 3.
And I'm like, ooh, we on the map. We get the bag and they run it back. And I'm like, ooh,
Yeah, if you could.
we get the bag and they run it back. And I'm like, ooh,
That works. Because the light is nice after how the light falls.
We on it. We know what's up.
Don't know how, don't know where, but somehow it's true. What to give, what to do, tell me I'll be there in a heartbeat. Under wild blue skies, I'm reflected in your eyes. Another step, moving close, if you want me, let me know. Falling, unclear, if you need me, I'll be right here. Darkness rises, and you need me, I'll be right here. Falling, you're unclear, if you need me, I'll be right here. Darkness rises,
Kuhain mo, kuhain mo.
right here.
Saan ang sabihin mo doon kay Lianne? Tawa.
If you want me, let me know. I'll be right here.
Right side. Oh.
If you want me, let me know. I'll be right
Just fix it a bit. There we go. Perfect. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. There we go. So you don't get any other one in the shot. Yeah, that works. Flip your hand the other way around. There we go. Look at that. A decade later, and this 255 out of 1,000.
Take a card.
Bye.
As in, take any card.
See you later, chunks.
So, ito sa audience, sa camera.
I know.
Show it to your friends. Actually, doesn't,
Sige, gotta go.
doesn't really
I gotta go.
Kung makita ko or hindi. What is importanter? Yeah, baka hangin.
Okay, I got the cards here.
Yeah. Oops. Oh, baka hangin. Okay, so...
Don't spill.
Okay. Doesn't matter. Ang importante dito is I lose it inside the thing. Yun lang. And then yun, that's when the magic happens, di ba? Ano daw nangyari? Magic. Nakita mo sleeves ko? Sana. Yeah, puntahan dito. Papasok yung card dito sa sleeves ko dito, punta dito. And down to my back. Yeah. Naramdaman ko pare. There's something. It's a black card. Hindi ko alam. Is it a black card? Yeah. It's a it's a number card.
Nice.
Gaano ka describe the shape. The card is yeah.
Yes.
Geo.
Close. Is that, what do you call it?
Is this your card?
Yes.
Yes.
Medyo wala reaction eh.
I don't know how good it goes.
Medyo
Shocked.
Pero alam niyo kung paano siya gumana dito sa dito.
Oh.
How?
Sa sleeves. It goes to the sleeves. It goes to the sleeves. Here. Reverse dito. Pag binalik mo siya dyan, mabalik na siya ulit dito. Stop na siya. Yes. Here. I have multiple trees here. Joke. Pero, yun lang yun.
And there you go. That was an amazing shoot. A big thank you to Angel for the deck of cards. You know, if that's showing up there from Story Circle, the Story Circle. It's a magic group that I used to be a part of, and you know, Angel was one of the people that I used to jam with from back then. I used to be, for those of you that know me, I used to be a magician, and I was really into close-up card magic and a lot of, you know, the whole thing, the whole scene that revolved around magic. But yeah, a big thank you to Angel. Thank you for the deck of cards, and thank you to our model Lianne and her boyfriend Eric for, you know, accompanying her as always. And I'll see you in the next shoot. Cheers.